Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add stick through in Excel. So if you want to add stick through on any text in Excel, for example you want to type any text, okay, and you want to add stick through, so select that cell, right click on that cell, then format cell, and here select guys this one font. Okay, you have to select this font and click on stick through. Click on OK. So we have now this stick through on text. So thanks for watching. I will show you again, like you have some text and you want to add stick through. So select that cell, right click on that cell and format cell. And here click on this stick through and click on OK. Format cell and click on OK. So firstly guys, you have to select that one and now format cell, and now to try this stick through and OK. Yes. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not. Today we learn how to add stick through in Excel. Share, like and subscribe this channel.